Okay, nursery class, today we will do the activity of sink and float. When the thing is heavy, it will sink. And which thing is light in weight, it will float. Okay, we do activity now and do this.
Float.
And this is heavy or light? Heavy? It's light or heavy? Heavy. Okay. It will float or sink? Okay, we will check. Yes.
It's float or sink?
It's sink. Okay, now. This is heavy or light? Okay. It will sink or float? Float? Sink. Float? Okay. Now we will check. Okay, now Ishaq, it's your turn. Your object is heavy or light? Light? Okay. Little water. Yes, it sink and float. Good. And Mohammed, your object is heavy or light? Okay, now do. It will float. Very good. Okay, Mughal, it's your turn. Your object is heavy or light? Heavy. Okay. Yes. Good. Farhan, your object is heavy or light? Okay. It float or sink? Float or sink? Yes. Ishaq, your object is heavy or light? Heavy. Okay. Yes, it's heavy. Okay, Shreya, your object is heavy or light? Light? No. Yes. It float or sink? Float. Okay. Hassan, your object is heavy or light? Light? Okay. No. It's heavy. Okay, Aman, it's your turn. Your object is heavy or light? Heavy. Okay, now open water. Yes, it's heavy. And Musa, now it's your turn. Your object is heavy or light? Okay, now put. It will sink or float? Yes. Shreya, your object is heavy or light? Light? Okay, now put it. Light. Yes. It's heavy or light? Heavy. Okay. Now, Hanvi, your object is heavy or light? Heavy. Now put. Okay, good.